Hello friends, welcome to the presentation on graph theory. I am Dr. Rajesh Nanauri. In our today's presentation, we'll see the following types: definition of vertex, edge and definition of graph. Then we'll see how to find degree of a vertex. Then we'll see examples of graphs. And in last, we'll see handshaking lemma, statement and verification. So now we'll start with the definitions. Definition of graph. A graph is a collection of nodes and edges denoted by capital G is equals to V comma E. Capital V is equals to nodes. We can call them as vertices or points. Capital E is edges. We can call them as links or arcs between pairs of nodes. Graph size parameters are n is equals to number of vertices, m is equals to number of edges. So in the right hand side of the PPT, I have given one example of graph. There the vertices and edges are given in the graph. So here n is equals to 6 and m is equals to 8. So number of vertices are 6. So these are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And number of edges are 8. They are A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. So how to denote the vertex set? It is V is equals to curly bracket 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And how to denote the edge set? It is E is equals to curly bracket A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. And here the notation of number of vertices, which is 6, and here number of edges, notation for number of edges, which is 8, is given. Now the next definition is adjacent nodes or neighborhoods. Adjacent nodes: two nodes are adjacent if they are connected by an edge. If edge E is equals to UV belongs to E of G, we say that U and V are adjacent or neighbors. Next definition is self loop or loop. An edge where two end vertices are the same is called a loop or self loop. Here is the graph of the self loop. Next definition is of parallel or multiple edges. Two or more edges incident to the same two vertices are called parallel edges or multiple edges. So here is the graph showing the parallel edges is given. Next is degree of undirected graph. Friends, in the next presentation we will see what is directed graph. The directed graph in which the directions to the edges are given. Now we are studying undirected graph where the direction to the edges is not given. So we'll start with the degree of vertex. It is number of edges incident on it. Notation is D of V. It is degree of the vertex V. Now in the given graph you can see that degree of vertex 1 is 2, as the number of edges incident to vertex 1 are A and B. So 2 edges incident on the vertex 1, so degree of 1 becomes 2. Similarly, for the remaining vertices, we'll see degree of vertex 2 is 3 because there are 3 edges incident on 2, which are A, C and D. Next is degree of vertex 3. There are 4 vertices, 4 edges incident on it. So degree of vertex 3 is 4. Similarly, degree of vertex 4 is 1 because only one edge is incident on 4. Degree of vertex 5 is 2 because only two edges are incident, which are F and G. And lastly, degree of vertex 6 is 4 because there are 4 edges incident on 6, which are P, C, E and F. So now if we add all the degrees of the vertices of a given graph, we'll get number 16. And if you see that the number of edges in the given graph are 8, so here summation of degree is twice the number of edges. So we'll see the simple graph and again the statement of the handshaking lemma. Simple graph, undirected cells. Simple graphs are undirected graph without loop or multiple edges. So whatever the example I have presented before this slide, same example I can give for simple graph where the graph does not have any self loop or multiple edges. So the handshaking statement of the handshaking lemma is for undirected graph, summation of degrees of vertices is 2 times number of edges. And in this given graph we can see that the statement is verified where the summation of degrees of all vertices is 16, number of edges are 2, so summation of degrees of vertices is equals to 2 times the number of edges. This is the verification of the handshaking lemma. Thank you.